Welcome to my channel, my friends. Airbus in the month of September delivered 57 aircraft. Whereas Airbus delivered 71 aircraft the same month in the year 2019. But we can consider September as successful month for Airbus as this month had seen increase in delivery. The most delivery is Airbus narrow body family. 3 A220 going to Air Canada, with 10 in fleet currently operated. Next 2 A220 delivery was taken by Egypt Air, making 12 A220 in Egypt Air's fleet. But the most delivery goes to Indian low-cost airline INDIGO, which took 1 A320neo and 3 A321neo, making INDIGO have 251 narrow-body aircraft from Airbus, whereas Airbus delivered 9 wide-body aircraft, most of the delivery taken by Delta Airlines, which consist of 2 A330-900 and 2 A350-900. The other wide-body delivery was taken by Cathay Pacific, Finnair, and Virgin Atlantic. The increase in Airbus delivery suggests that aviation is recovering gradually from the pandemic. Thank you for watching this week's video. Subscribe if you are new. Let's stay connected.